All right, today we're gonna bring an outdoor pit, fire pit. If you guys can see, these are all the components that come together to make a little dome, and it takes about 2 people to actually pick up, or one, it depends, but it's a little long, so it's gonna take 2 persons to pick it up. So we're gonna set it up, and this is perfect for outdoors. Now that camping's around the corner, people want to take it maybe out in the woods somewhere. We're gonna put it together, see how it works. So let's go ahead and do that and make sure we have all the pieces. It comes with the screws. Now it does not have a Phillips, so you have to provide your own tools. All right, so let's go ahead and do that.
No, go away.
Check out the fireplace. Beautiful fireplace. This is to grab it. It's not hot because everything's covered in there, but if you go open it up, at the end of the day, you could grab your ashtray. There's a handle there and the other handle, and then you could throw this in the trash by the end of the day. But perfect for outdoors. I like that they give you the little pick here so you can actually move the logs around. One person or two can pick it up, but just be aware, keep it closed so it could balance it out. If you open it up during the time of movement, it's going to unbalance itself. It has a handle here on the one side and a beautiful atmosphere. It illuminates all around the area, the actual silhouettes of the actual woods. Simple to use, simple to install. I hope you guys enjoy the video.